Welcome to Venngage for Business. With your new plan, you can complete your designs even faster with the help of your team. There are two ways you can perfect your designs together. First, you can invite your team members as guests. This will allow them to comment on your projects at no additional cost. All your guests need to do is create an account. This way, they'll also enjoy the benefits of a Venngage free account. To invite your colleagues as guests, in the top navigation bar, click Invite Team. Select Invite. Enter their email address. Then, click Invite Guest. Your colleagues will receive an email to sign up and join your team. To share your project, simply go to your design. Click Share. Make sure Share this design with your team is toggled on. This will allow everyone on your team to view and give you feedback on your project. After clicking My Designs in the top navigation bar, your recently shared project will appear on the Share with Me page. If you want to share your work with certain members, you can share your private link with them. Don't forget to turn on comment mode. But that's not all. If you want to grant your team the ability to collaborate on the same design, invite them to become full plan members. Click Invite Team in the top navigation bar. Select Invite. Enter their email address. Then click Invite Member. Your team members will receive an email to sign up, join your team, and gain access to Venngage for Business, meaning not only can they comment on the projects you shared with them, but they can also edit the designs with their accounts. Plus, they'll unlock all of our other Venngage for Business features. Are you ready to get started? Click the button below to start inviting your team members.